we got a treat, and it's something that I really needed to try.
Your attention, please.
I got my funnel cake, my funnel of love, my strawberry cheesecake funnel cake. It looks amazing, and we can't wait to dive into it. Here we go. Oh, that is amazing. It tastes just like a strawberry cheesecake. You guys definitely need to check this out. It's at the Stage Door Cafe, which is right next to where we are right now at the Golden Horseshoe. We just came in here because all the tables are wet and these tables are dry. So definitely come and check this out. You need to get it while it lasts. So now that we have full tummies again, remember, try the funnel of love. It is absolutely delicious.
Well, until the 14th.
Until the, well, yeah, it goes away on Valentine's Day. So really, you only have a few more days. But there's something that is very shocking to me. And we just discovered this. Well, I shouldn't say just discovered it, but just came to light. And it's about 7:10, about 10 minutes after 7. Guys, the park is empty. I mean, the longest wait in the park right now is a half hour. And that's Peter Pan. Everything else is walk-on right now. I mean, let's just look at this. Pirates is a walk-on. I mean, this is a walk-on. We're hitting it now. Then we're gonna Haunted Mansion, walk-on. Technically it's 13 minutes, but that just means walk-on.
Come seek an adventure in salty old pirates, eh? Sure, you've come to the proper place. But keep a weather eye open, please.
I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for a life of villainy, larceny, skullduggery, and persnickety. Bring up the Hollies, yo.
Just follow the pink poof.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Happy haunts materialize.
And vision to vocalize.
Bring us
Thank you.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard.
We just saw Liver Lips from the Country Bears Jamboree.
Who was the other one?
I can't remember his name. Who's the lead singer, guys? Like the main dude. Because I can't remember. But we just saw them in Tomorrowland. That never happens.
They're in the wrong land.
They're in the wrong park. Not just land, they're in the wrong park. So yeah, they are.
They originally were.
Well, they were originally here, but their home is in Magic Kingdom now in Florida.
It had me like thinking, wait,
It had us like,
Florida?
we had to, yeah, it took us a second. We had to hesitate. But anyways, we're off to Space Mountain. And then maybe we'll check out the party that's going on where they came from. Maybe there's more retro characters we didn't know about. actually don't like this song.
No.
It
No.
calls me.
No.
No one knows how far it goes. Come on.
No.
You love the movie.
I like Hey Hey and the Pig.
Oh, hey, real quick. Liver Lips can dance. That dude can move. Okay, so I'm not going to keep repeating that the park is empty,
You just did.
but I just did, so the park is empty. We just got a glimpse of Mickey's Mixed Magic. My opinion still doesn't change, except for this little clip. Projections on the Matterhorn. I really like them, but the music I just don't like it. I don't like the club feel, the DJ, you know, mix up, mix mash. I'm still not feeling it. Ashley, on the other hand,
I like the projections. I didn't say I like the music.
She likes the projections. She doesn't like the music, but she likes the projections. I just like them on the Matterhorn. So I'm gonna start it now. When are normal fireworks coming back? So that's gonna do it for this trip, guys. I know it was really short, but we will be back in just over about a month and a half, at the end of March. So if you guys haven't done so already, give all of these videos huge thumbs up. Give the I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And guys, I guess that's it. So we will see you all
a little later.
Y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía estrella.